IntelliSTAR by Hero is brought to you by your internet service provider and is made possible by the Weather Channel. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel by visiting weather.com.
Squint your eyes and look closer.
A flood watch is in effect.
Ambition, I am a poster girl with no poster. I am 32.
Currently in your area, 54 degrees under sunny skies.
Squint your eyes and look closer. I'm not between you and your ambition. I am a poster girl with no poster. I am 32 flavors and then some. And I'm beyond your peripheral vision. So you might wanna turn your head. Cause someday you're gonna get hungry and eat all of the words that you just said. I am what I am. I am 32.
For the rest of today, sunny to partly cloudy. High 65. Winds east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles per hour.
The secret of hatred for the prettiest girl in the room. God,
For tonight, partly cloudy this evening, then becoming cloudy after midnight. Low 55. Winds southeast at 10 to 20 miles per hour.
watch us flying.
Wednesday, cloudy with gusty winds. High 84. Winds south at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Wednesday night, windy, strong to severe thunderstorms. Low 64.
Since they come, I am 32 flavors and then some. I'm nobody, but I am someone.
Your 7-day outlook.
So